Hi, this is John with Transoms Direct. From time to time we have a customer call that is looking for a transom that's larger than 6 feet wide, which is the widest window size that you can order electronically from our website. In fact, if you try to order a size larger than that, you may have seen this message which says to call us. First off, we're always happy to answer your phone call and build virtually any size window you can imagine, but sometimes it's easier just to order on the website. So now we're introducing a new option that allows wider versions of our most popular transom model to be purchased on the website and shipped via our regular package carriers. You can now order the interior paint grade TR1 transom like you see here, up to 12 feet in length. Let's check that out. As you can see, we've developed a way to split the window in half so that it can be reassembled at your job site. And you can expect the same quality and durability of a transom built all in one piece. Let's see how that works. Here I have two different versions of a split transom. The sash only version, which is shown here, is still disassembled. And the transom unit version with a jamb that has already been assembled from two parts. As you can see on this disassembled sash, we use a simple bracket and screw to bring the two halves together. And these are always fully assembled and pre-fit at the factory before we disassemble them for delivery to you. So everything is perfect, it all fits, and it's ready to go. And as you can see from the assembled transom unit with a jamb, the area where the two halves are joined together is barely visible to the eye. After paint, this split transom will look identical to its full-length counterpart. So you can order these split transoms as a sash-only option like you see here and build your own jamb, or you can order them split with the jamb already installed. As you can imagine, we have an assembly video that explains the complete process for both of these options. We include all the hardware you need and the glue, and the video explains how to use common tools to put the transoms together. So before we finish, some important notes. You can only order paint grade interior versions of the TR1 pattern like you see here. These transoms can be ordered up to 12 feet wide directly on the website without calling us at all. For exterior versions or interior versions with stained grade wood, you'll still need to call us so that we can explore freight delivery for you. We don't want that seam to show up through the stain. Again, the split option is only for the TR1 model that have these vertical mutton bars where we can split the product. For other models like the TR4, which has no muttons, you will have to call us to explore freight delivery. And we have a very helpful freight partner that gives us attractive rates. So freight is a very real option if these split transom options are not right for you. We offer all models, interior and exterior, as big as you need with the freight option. Look for the assembly video next, and I will also include a video on how to add a jamb if you purchase the sash only version of the split product. Thanks for watching.